Good morning, students. Generally, we discuss about an amino acid. Where we describe that we have 20 type of amino acid, but you can categorize amino acid in three types: standard protein amino acid, non-standard protein amino acid, and non-protein amino acid. When we talk about standard protein amino acid, means these amino acids are found in protein, especially these have specific codons in our genome. When we talk about non-standard protein amino acids, means these are modified amino acids which are also found in protein. In specific protein, you can say like in collagen. In collagen, we have hydroxyproline and hydroxylysine, the main component of collagen, and methyl lysine is found in myosin, the contractile protein, and gamma carboxyglutamate which found in blood clotting protein. These are specific protein. These are specific amino acids which are modified. And the another category of amino acid are non-protein amino acid. There are about 300 additional amino acids which are found in our metabolic reaction, like you can say in urea cycle, L-ornithine, L-citrulline, which are found in urea cycle. These are amino acid. When we talk about amino acid, we have alpha carbon with an acid group and an amino group. This is the basic structure of amino acid.